But why are there not more people talking about these amazing crypto trading apps? Let's reveal the top 10 for 2024. Number 10, CoinMaster. It's perfect for beginners with its easy-to-use interface. Number 9, BlockTrade, known for its super-fast transactions. Number 8, Crypto Pro. Stay updated with real-time alerts and news. Number 7, BitGuru. Offers great analytical tools. Number 6, CoinSnap. Amazing for tracking your portfolio. Number 5, Token Trader. Top pick for low fees. Number 4, WalletWise. Best security features. And number 3, TradeTide. Automated trading at its best. Number 2, CryptoCrowd. Join a community of traders. And finally, number 1, BlockBoss. The ultimate all-in-one app. Happy trading, everyone. Welcome back. Now that you've seen the top 10 crypto trading apps for 2024, let's dive into how to choose the best one for you. First, look for apps that offer two-factor authentication and strong encryption to protect your assets. Next, think about some apps might offer low trading fees but charge for withdrawals or deposits. Make sure to read the fine print. It is also crucial. An intuitive and easy-to-navigate app can save you a lot of time and headaches. Lastly, don't forget about reliable and responsive customer service can be a lifesaver if you run into any issues. So keep these factors in mind to find the perfect crypto trading app for your needs. Happy trading! Chapter 3, Top Features of Crypto Trading Apps. Welcome back. In this chapter, we will explore the top features that make a crypto trading app stand out. Firstly, real-time data is essential. Having access to the latest market information can help you make informed trading decisions. Look for apps that provide live updates on prices, market trends, and news. Next, advanced charting tools are a must-have. These tools allow you to analyze market movements and trends in detail. Look for apps that offer customizable charts, technical indicators, and drawing tools. Automated trading options are also becoming increasingly popular. These features allow you to set up trading bots that can execute trades on your behalf based on specific criteria. This can save you time and help you take advantage of market opportunities even when you're not actively monitoring the market. Other valuable features to consider include portfolio tracking, price alerts, and integrated wallets. These can help you manage your investments more effectively and stay on top of any changes in the market. So when choosing a crypto trading app, make sure to look for these top features to enhance your trading experience. Happy trading! Welcome back. As we wrap up our exploration of the best crypto trading apps in 2024, let's take a moment to summarize the key points we've discussed. In Chapter 1, we listed the top 10 crypto trading apps that are leading the market this year. Each app was carefully selected based on user experience, security features, and overall performance. In Chapter 2, we provided a comprehensive guide on how to choose the best crypto trading app for your needs. We covered essential aspects such as security, fees, user interface, and customer support. In Chapter 3, we delved into the top features that make a crypto trading app stand out. We highlighted the importance of real-time data, advanced charting tools, automated trading options, portfolio tracking, price alerts, and integrated wallets. With all this information at your fingertips, you are now better equipped to make an informed decision about which crypto trading app suits you best. Remember, the right app can significantly enhance your trading experience and help you achieve your financial goals. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of crypto trading apps. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy trading, and may your investment